Did you know birds have favorite foods just like we do? Let's talk about the grains and foods birds love to eat. Birds love a variety of healthy grains, including millet, a top favorite, oats, rolled or steel-cut, unsweetened, brown rice, cooked, quinoa, cooked, barley, wheat berries, corn, fresh or dried, not salted, sorghum, buckwheat. Seeds and nuts birds enjoy include sunflower seeds, safflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flaxseed, chia seeds, sesame seeds, almonds, walnuts, peanuts, unsalted. Many birds love fresh fruits such as apples, no seeds, bananas, grapes, mango, papaya, berries, strawberries, blueberries, pomegranate, pears. Healthy vegetables birds enjoy include carrots, broccoli, spinach, kale, sweet potatoes, cooked, bell peppers, zucchini, peas, corn,